MQ-9 Reaper drone, a marvel of remote engineering, presents a chilling paradox. Unparalleled precision from thousands of miles away reshaping modern warfare. Born from the Predator's legacy, the Reaper significantly escalated combat drone capabilities. It shifted from reconnaissance to powerful hunter-killer missions globally. The Reaper boasts a 66-foot wingspan, powered by a turboprop engine. Its composite airframe prioritizes stealth and endurance, crucial for extended missions. Its Honeywell TPE 331-10 turboprop engine delivers 900 shaft horsepower, enabling high altitudes and long loiter times. This efficiency is critical for persistent surveillance. Advanced EO/IR sensors like the Raytheon MTSB provide unparalleled day/night vision. They detect targets through adverse weather, feeding real-time data to operators. Synthetic aperture radar creates detailed terrain maps in any conditions. Its ground-moving target indicator tracks movement, even through clouds or camouflage. A sophisticated satellite communication link connects the drone to operators thousands of miles away. Data encryption ensures secure real-time command and control. The ground control station is the nerve center. Pilots and sensor operators remotely fly the drone, analyzing intelligence and executing missions with remarkable precision. The Reaper can carry up to 4 AGM-114 Hellfire missiles. These precision-guided munitions utilize semi-active laser homing for pinpoint accuracy against ground targets. Precision guidance minimizes collateral damage. The Hellfire small warhead, combined with laser targeting, allows for highly discriminate strikes, a critical ethical consideration. Beyond Hellfires, the Reaper also deploys GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack munitions. These GPS-guided bombs offer an alternative for different target sets, expanding its destructive capability. With a range exceeding 1,150 miles and endurance over 27 hours, the Reaper can loiter above targets for extended periods, providing persistent surveillance and rapid response. Operating at altitudes up to 50,000 feet, the Reaper remains largely undetectable from the ground. Its cruise speed of 230 miles per hour allows swift transit between operational zones. Despite remote operation, takeoff and landing remain critical phases. Specialized ground crews handle pre-flight checks and recovery, ensuring operational readiness and safety. Triple redundant flight control systems ensure reliability and safety. Autopilot and navigation systems integrate GPS and inertial measurements for unwavering stability, even in turbulence. The robust encrypted data link prevents interception and jamming, vital for maintaining uninterrupted control. Any disruption could lead to mission failure or compromise. The Reaper, a formidable upgrade from the Predator, carries significantly more payload and boasts greater speed. It transformed drone warfare from observation to active engagement. Compared to manned aircraft, the Reaper offers unmatched endurance without pilot fatigue. This allows continuous surveillance and strike capability over vast, hostile territories. While expensive, the Reaper's operational cost per flight hour is significantly lower than manned fighter jets. This economic advantage drives its widespread adoption in military operations. The Reaper became synonymous with counter-terrorism. Its ability to loiter undetected and strike precisely proved invaluable in tracking and neutralizing high-value targets in remote areas. Afghanistan saw extensive Reaper deployment. It provided crucial intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, altering ground combat dynamics significantly from above. In Iraq and Syria, Reapers played a pivotal role against insurgent groups. Their persistent presence and strike capabilities were key in disrupting enemy networks and operations. The Reaper isn't solely a U.S. asset. Nations like the UK, France, and Italy also operate Reapers, extending its global footprint and enhancing coalition surveillance efforts. Beyond strikes, the Reaper excels at intelligence gathering. Its high-resolution cameras and signals intelligence packages provide invaluable insights into enemy movements and communications. In some instances, Reapers provide critical support for search and rescue operations. Their thermal cameras can locate individuals in difficult terrains, saving lives. Reapers have also been deployed in anti-piracy missions, monitoring vast stretches of ocean. Their long endurance helps track suspicious vessels, protecting vital shipping lanes. Following natural disasters, Reapers can assess damage, map affected areas, and guide relief efforts. Their aerial perspective is crucial when ground access is impossible. The meticulous target acquisition process involves multiple steps: identification, tracking, positive identification, and authorization. This layered approach aims to minimize errors. Strict rules of engagement govern every Reaper strike. Legal and ethical considerations are paramount, constantly evaluated to ensure compliance with international law and military doctrine. The psychological impact of unseen drones is profound. The constant threat from above, without a visible adversary, creates pervasive fear and uncertainty in conflict zones. Despite precision, debates over civilian casualties persist. The fog of war and imperfect intelligence can lead to tragic mistakes, fueling ethical dilemmas and international scrutiny. Vast amounts of data flow from Reapers constantly. Specialized analysts process this information, converting raw footage into actionable intelligence for mission planning and execution. The future sees increasing autonomy. While currently remotely piloted, advanced AI could enable semi-autonomous operations, making rapid decisions on the battlefield, raising new questions. Future integration with swarm drone technology could see Reapers coordinating with smaller, numerous autonomous units. This multiplies surveillance and strike capabilities exponentially. As technology advances, so do threats. Cyber vulnerabilities remain a persistent concern for drone systems, risking hijacking, data interception, or system compromise. Remote warfare raises profound ethical questions. The physical distance between operator and target can desensitize, impacting moral judgment and accountability, a chilling reality. The proliferation of advanced drone technology, including armed variants, raises global security concerns. The ease of access could lower the threshold for future conflicts. The Reaper represents an engineering nightmare, balancing extreme endurance, heavy payload, and secure global communication in a single, resilient platform, constantly pushing boundaries. The debate continues: where do we draw the line between human oversight and automation? The Reaper's evolution forces us to confront this complex, unavoidable ethical frontier. The Reaper drone has undeniably redefined modern conflict. Its capabilities offer powerful strategic advantages, yet its very existence compels us to grapple with profound moral implications.